Security guard held after cops seize illegal gun in Lawrence Tavern. 30 rounds of ammo, illegal gun seized in St. Andrew. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 32-year-old Roland Scully, a security guard of Corner Bar, Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew, was arrested and charged with possession of a prohibited weapon following an incident in his community on Friday, August 25th. Reports from the St. Andrew police are that about 9 a.m., a targeted raid was conducted at the home of Scully, during which one .38 revolver was found in a brown backpack that he was wearing in his bedroom. He was taken into custody and subsequently charged. His court date is being finalized. The police are reporting a seizure of 34 rounds of ammunition and a SIG submachine pistol in Pembroke Hall, St. Andrew. 2 men were taken into custody in connection with the seizure. Reports from the Duhaney Park Police are that about 5:45 on Saturday morning, lawmen were on targeted operation when a premises was searched and the firearm and ammunition were found.